Good evening, John Ozzie from AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Victor. Victor is one of our traders on the FTP program, the Funded Trader Program. Victor joined us on the 8th of January 2021, and this is his journey up until the 11th of February 2021. Victor has hit his 10%, and just like our other traders, a lot of traders have been hitting 10% towards the end of January, and I've said in a previous video I think it's down to the fact that the US dollar was a very volatile market to trade during the week of the inauguration, just before and just after. So let's look at this journey of this trader. We can see this trader has maintained a daily percentage of 0.27%, a monthly drawdown of 8.40%, and 3.33% drawdown. And looking at the equity curve, we can see how the journey started. 0%, 1.34, 3.2, down to 0.8%. Now we got to 3.3%. We come down to 1.6%. And from the 19th of January, this trader scales all the way up to 10%. This is a key level. Again, another trade I'm looking at, 29th of January. 29th of January has been a key level, and a lot of traders have been hitting their 10% profit margins around that date. So let's try and investigate, and from the statistics we can see, let's try and have an idea of how this was achieved. And as we can see going down, we've had 34 trades. So this trader's clearly done it in under a calendar month, technically. Just under a calendar month, or we can call it exactly, yeah, just under a calendar month. We've had 34 trades in total. So this tells me this trader possesses very good money management, a clear strategy, and a very disciplined manner and approach to the FX markets. So I'm very curious to see what pairs helped this trader achieve this milestone. Going here, this trader clearly has just had 34 trades just on one page. This is just everything the traders traded. And in the sense of this is what the traders trade in terms of the pairs that's been picked. And as I can see, the biggest loss was on the Euro New Zealand dollar. Clearly, this wasn't a favorite for this trader. But I can see the pound yen and the pound New Zealand dollar. So it gets to tell you the pound is a very strong pair to trade. If you trade the pound against the yen, against the Kiwi, against the Australian dollar, I can observe and tell you from my time of reviewing accounts on the FTP, the pound pairs are very strong, but at the same time, it takes a lot of discipline and consistency with the right knowledge and strategy and trading plan to really take advantage of the volatility of these FX pairs. So this trader has actually traded the pound yen 3 times and made $487.80. This is precision. When I say down to precision, it's precision to the point that this trader knows what he wants, he knows his setup, and he's gone in the market fearless and gone in for that take profit level. And we can see as well the pound new Kiwi. From experience as a trader, I've been trading from 2003 to this present day, which is over 18 years experience in this market. I struggle myself personally to hold trades on the pound New Zealand dollar. It's not like I don't know how to trade the pair. I just don't like the pair because the pair has a very wide spread and the pair is very nasty. It fluctuates up and down, but you gotta have a clear strategy and a passion for trading this pair. That in my books, I just don't like this pair. So I just leave this on the side. Doesn't mean I don't see opportunities trading it. I just don't like it as a preference. But still, in trading, one key thing, you can be right or wrong, but always end up in profit. So this is a very good P&L statistics breakdown for my FX book. Now let's look at the history of trades. We just got 37 trades in total, so it's not quite a lot to go by, just 2 pages. But I want you to see this trader, the journey, just real quickly here. About these 37 trades, you can see the trader first started off with a maximum lot size capable that's been allocated to you. You see, when we're trading the markets, risk management is very key. If you don't understand risk management, you will not be in this business for long because that's basically the air, your oxygen that keeps you in the market, that keeps you on the program. So this trader, I would say this trader is very experienced because this trader went in, Victor went in brave and went for the full maximum allocated lot size. We can see Victor's gone with pound yen straight away, 0.50, $87. He took a loss, came back again with pound yen, 0.50, 42 pips, $204. Took a loss again, came back again. So what I want you to see from this pattern now with Victor now, he's kept the lot size consistent. Clearly he's experienced. He's taken all these losses, but overall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 trades compensate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They compensate these 7 trades that he's had the L's. And as we can see that this is actually clearly reflected on the equity chart. Because if we look at the dates of these trades, you can see 11th of the 1st up until the 21st. So we can see that the 11th of the 1st is here. We can see that equity, that dip, these are all the reds. But as we can see, up until the 21st, can you see 2.9% to 1.34%? That's clearly a big gain. And when we go on to the last bit, page 1, this is where Victor's actually made his money. Look at it, back to back, 26.5 pound US dollar, 198. Took a loss. Then the year after, he came back stronger, $416. Came back again, $137, and came back again, $363.51. And finally, $59.10. Victor hit his profit. Now Victor's on to level 2. Now Victor's now trading a bit aggressively with the Euro Kiwi, and he's taking a few losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's got a few gains. But overall, Victor's still in profit. US dollar yen's giving Victor some profit. I know this trade as well because I took this trade as well a few days ago. And look at the Euro AUD, he's made profit. So overall, Victor's journey is an interesting journey. And overall, can we see Victor's still in profit despite the losses? So as I tell people, you can be right or wrong in this business, but you can always end up being profitable. So I don't really have a lot to say according to Victor with his account, but I can only recommend he really stays focused on recognizing his patterns for trading. Be patient when you execute your trades, maintain your discipline with money management, and don't overtrade. When you see an opportunity, take it. And Victor, I wish you all the best, and I'm very confident you'll be going to the next level, $60,000 very soon, because you've only got about 2,700 to about just under $1,700 to go to get to 3,000, which is 10% of 30,000. So Victor, all the best, and look forward to seeing your progress in the future.